New twists in two prominent legal cases, a murder conviction overturned and a fight for free speech upheld. Thank you for joining us for Denver 7 News at 5. I'm Micah Smith.
And I'm Natalie Chuck in for Jessica Porter. We are following several major courtroom developments unfolding today. This morning, we learned the murder conviction against a Southern Colorado mother is being thrown out. Letitia Stout was serving life in prison without the possibility of parole after she was found guilty of killing her stepson, Gannon. Her attorneys appealed that conviction because of what they called a biased juror.
But let's start with prominent 2020 election denier Tina Peters. Today, the Colorado Court of Appeals ruled to throw out the former Mesa County elections clerk current sentence of 9 years and resentence her for her role in an election security breach. Denver 7's Veronica Acosta joins us now with bipartisan reaction.
Veronica, the court says Peters' sentence was based in part on her right to free speech.
And that's why the Colorado Court of Appeals decided to do away with that sentence, a resentencing next. But this decision does not do away with the fact Tina Peters is still a convicted felon. A 9-year sentence behind bars for Tina Peters thrown out Thursday.
I just want to see fairness.
With a resentencing to follow, but the felony conviction for the former Mesa County clerk.
We're happy to see that they upheld the conviction of Tina Peters.
Still standing, upheld by the Colorado Court of Appeals. A sigh of relief for some Colorado election officials like Matt Crane with the Colorado Clerks Association.
She's a convicted felon, and that hasn't been overturned. But, if her sentencing was incorrect, then of course that's something that should be corrected.
In this more than 70-page decision, the court said its choice was based in part on the improper consideration of Peters' right to free speech.
I do believe that Tina Peters' original sentence was appropriate, and of course, a court will ultimately decide. Overall,
Colorado Secretary of State Jenna Griswold says she believes Peters should be treated like any other criminal.
Any person has the ability to appeal their case, and we're just seeing the normal appeal process play out.
And after months of President Donald Trump's failed attempts to pardon the convicted felon,
the court struck that down.
The former elections clerk remains here, now awaiting a new sentence. And I reached out to all of Peters' attorneys for an interview this morning. A spokesperson for one of them, Peter Tickton, told me that they would get us a statement. We haven't gotten that as of news time.
Well, I certainly hope they get it to you soon because we want to hear their side of the story as well.
Right.
All right. Thank you, Veronica.
And we know that this case has raised many concerns for some of you out there about election security in Colorado and across the country. Just check out some of these comments on our Facebook page today. We saw everything from voters' rights and accusations of mail-in voting fraud, a lot of concerns out there. So I spoke with a man who dedicates his career trying to build voter confidence and work with election officials.
Republicans and Democrats have worked together so well to make Colorado elections in many ways the envy of the country.
So coming up on Denver 7 News at 6, find out why David Becker, the founder of the Center for Election Innovation and Research, says voters should still trust the process. That's tonight at 6.